Hello, this is Julie and I want to welcome you back to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and like a get ready with me with some new makeup I got from Merit Beauty. I can't remember how I first heard about Merit, but I want to say it was through Instagram. But it's just, they seem to have kind of a nice natural looking makeup. So that's really what I like. I'm not one for doing real complicated looks. And they have like a couple of cool extras when you order through them, so let's get to it. Okay, less is more. So when you order $50 or more, you get this cool hat. It's kind of a, I don't know, ivory color, and that's stitched on there, so it's actually pretty nice. I like that. Okay, and the next item, which you get with your first order, not with every order, but just with your very first one through their website, is this little makeup bag, which is kind of like, what color would that be? Like an ochre, maybe? I don't know. It's like a corduroy fabric, and it just ties on the top. And that's just really nice, because I do kind of like to be able to throw my stuff just in a bag instead of like different zipper pouches and stuff like that. Okay, I'm gonna go and get this stuff out. So I got 3 items. Let's see, I think I got the Flush Balm and the Shade Slick, which is the tinted lip oil. I got that in the set. I can't remember what it's called, but you save like $13 getting it in the set, so I thought that was pretty nice. So this is the Flush Balm in, where's the name? Oh, Beverly Hills, right on top. Okay, so it's some nice packaging, kind of a warm gray sort of color with gold lettering, and the actual blush color itself. This is kind of a peachy pink color, which I thought would go with my my skin tone better because I have freckles, so it tends to make it very warm. And here's just a quick little, it's a nice feel, nice glossy feel. I like that. I can't wait to try it. Okay, there's that. Next, let's show off the Day Glow Highlighting Balm. And I got that in Cava, which is kind of like a champagne color. And again, I'm very pale, so that seemed like the best color for me. Okay, so this one comes in like an ivory case. And more gold lettering. Very nice packaging. Now this just came in the mail, so I'm going to open it slowly just in case it's hot. That doesn't look like it's too melted or anything. Very pretty color. And I'll just blend that in. Sorry about my scaly hands. Oh, that is nice. Just kind of like a light sheen. Very nice. Okay, and last is the Shade Slick Tinted Lip Oil in Marrakesh. Okay, nice bottle. Color's very pretty. Got a nice doe foot applicator. that on there. See, just kind of a coral color. I'm not sure why I'm blending it in, but whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna do my makeup in just a little bit. I'll probably do all my skin and eyes first, and then I will apply all of this cool stuff. And hopefully it'll just be kind of like a warm, like natural pretty look, I hope. Okay, let's get to it. Hi everyone. Well, I'm gonna try the makeup on now and do like a quick review on like how it feels and how it goes on and stuff. I've already done my my skin and my eyelashes and eyebrows already. So here we go. Okay, so this is the Flush Balm in Beverly Hills. What I really like about this makeup is just how easy it is to just apply with your fingers, because I'm pretty low maintenance, so I don't have a ton of tools and everything to apply makeup. So I like being able to just use my fingers. Okay. Now this is the Day Glow Highlighting Balm in Cava. And this stuff is fantastic. Honestly, I think the blush is, I mean, it's a nice product, but I've had similar experiences with like Tarte and other cream blushes like that. And I mean, it's nice, but it's not like outstanding or anything. But this highlighter, oh my gosh, I really love it. It's subtle. It feels really nice going on the skin. I just put this like as an eyeshadow on my whole eye, because I don't wear a lot of makeup, so I just prefer to just blend a little in so that I'm, you know, don't look quite so sleepy. Yeah, I'm not sure if it's coming across on camera, but my skin just looks like a little shinier and glowier. It's really nice. Okay, and the last item is the, let's see, Shade Slick in Marrakesh. And for the blush and the lip oil, I got the kind of warmer pink colors, because with my freckles and coloring, that just is what looks better on me. This has a really nice color. Feels nice and smooth going on. I found that it doesn't last too long, and it doesn't really like leave a stain behind on your lips. So it is something you have to reapply pretty often, but I don't know, I really like it. It's a nice color, it feels good, it's not sticky, which I hate with lip gloss. But yeah, that's it. As you can see, I don't really use much makeup. I like stuff it feels good going on the skin, and it doesn't have a lot of like sticky textures and stuff. And it's just like, you know, me, but better. So overall, I'm very happy with my products that I buy. I would, yeah, 100% recommend them. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.